On certain computers and laptops, you may hear the sound of your mouse clicking while you are recording your audio track inside Vidnami. The way to eliminate this sound is to use the right arrow shortcut key instead of clicking your mouse. The right arrow key also allows you to record your audio quickly and easily. The first time you press the right arrow key, it will start a recording. The next time you click it, it will end your recording. And if you click it again, it will move you to your next recording. This means you can quickly record your entire audio track by clicking on a single button. Keep in mind that you can't use the right arrow key to re-record a sentence if you make a mistake. If you need to re-record a sentence, you will need to use your mouse to click the red record button.